Today, just doing a little practicing. Practice a lot of different ranges, but today I'm going to be doing 100 yards. It's actually one of my favorite distances to practice, mainly because it really makes you shoot good. You get your form, really makes your form better, makes you hold better. And if you can shoot here, you can shoot anywhere. I got just a regular, this is my hunting bow. This is the sight I use, except this one is 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 yard pins. My other sight is the same one, Spot Hog, real deal, 20 to 60 yard, and that's the one I use hunting. Same one, I just change them out depending on what I'm practicing and how I'm practicing. I'm shooting a 475 grain arrow, pretty heavy arrow. It's ACC Pro Hunter, and it's a 340. Got 125 grain field tip and blazer vanes. Right at 475, somewhere in that range. And shooting 70 pounds on a Matthews Z7, and it's a quad ultra rest QAD ultra rest, and give it a shot. I'm gonna shoot 5 arrows, 100 yards, and hopefully I'll be able to shoot. The deer flies are buzzing around, so if you see me stop or let up, it's probably because of a deer fly. I'm going to be aiming just 2 dots in the middle, trying to aim between them. I really should have a pie plate down there. My goal is always to, even at this distance, especially at this distance, from 60 on back, is trying to keep them in, about a pie plate size, which is pretty difficult to do. But you practice, and the more you practice, the better you get. Now, I don't hunt at this distance. I would never shoot an animal at this distance, just so you know. It's just for practice. That's all it is. I would never ever take a shot. My other sight that I use hunting only goes out to 60 yards, and 60 yards would be pushing. I don't think I'd really even take that shot. So just so everybody knows. I like the spot hog sight. This ring actually really matches up almost perfect with my peep sight. So when I'm looking through the peep sight, I'm using a relatively big hole peep sight, and about probably a 1/4 inch in size. But when I look through at my draw length, that sight, the ring around the boss hog, fits perfectly in that sight, perfectly. So every time I draw back, I line up with the ring exactly centered where I see no light around it. So that's one reason I really like it. And the pins are bright. I can see them even this little bit low light here. I can see pretty good. One more arrow, and we'll walk down. Okay, that's 5 arrows. We'll walk down, take a look. Yeah, I really enjoy shooting this distance. I don't, this time of the year, it's May, end of May, the weather's still pretty good, it's not too hot, so it's not that bad out here. And try to practice a little bit every week. I probably shoot 3 afternoons a week, maybe 4, and I don't shoot a lot of arrows, maybe 10 to 15 arrows I'll shoot, and that's about it. I don't shoot a bunch of arrows. We'll walk down here. It takes a little while to get down here. I'm hoping to be within a pie plate size group here, and we'll find out in just a second. So this is 100 yards. I was aiming between the 2 middle dots, well, the middle dot and the lower dot, and we'll see what we got. And there's my group right there. That's 100 yards. That's about an 8-inch group, and right dead on. I was shooting right between these 2 dots where the arrows are, and you know, that's not bad. I had one little straggler out there, but at 100 yards, I'll take that every day at 100 yards. There's that little low one on the right there. That's still about an 8-inch group, if that, maybe 7 inches, 8 inches at the most. And that's my 100-yard practice routine out in the yard here.